Hey, welcome. I'm Andy Sulak with LAE Software. I've also got Chad Baker here with me. Today, in our video series, we're going to talk about PST corruption, something that we run into quite, actually more specifically, our customers run into quite frequently. So we wanted to give a little more insight into it. So first off, we're talking about Outlook PST files. So those are our offline storage of mail objects. Started back in Outlook 97, where you could take mail out of your mailbox when mailboxes were incredibly small, had limitations at that time. You could take mail out, put them into a local file on your C drive, and so that's how email would get moved out and into these small files. Now, these files are actually databases. So they have both the mail objects inside them, but they also have data structures, and they can get corrupted just from issues with disks, systems crashing, or also being used on network shares. Now, Microsoft has always stated that they do not support PST files being accessed over network shares, but we know that 100% of the customers that we've worked with dealing with their PST migrations and discovery, 100% of them have PSTs on network shares. So it's just how they get used. When a PST file corrupts, we found a couple different levels. So there's anything from level 1, where within a PST file, you can still use it, you can mount it in Outlook, you can see all the data there, but maybe just a couple items can't be read or can't be, deleted or moved. We call that level 1, and then as you go up through the levels, which we have more detail on an article on our website, where you go all the way to level 5, where you can't even open up the file. It's total data loss. It can't be repaired. You can't get any data out of it. The levels 1 through 5 are detailed in an article. Just go to laesoftware.com/articles. You'll see it right there. And actually, to give you a little bit more insight into that, Chad actually has a demo ready for this. And I believe you're going to show us a level 5 corruption. Is that correct, Chad?
That is correct. So let me share out my screen here. I've got it ready to go. I've already gone through and got to the adding a PST to Outlook. And you can see here it's aptly named corrupted. We like things that are aptly named. So I'm going to click the OK here. And I can't actually click close because now my Outlook is hanging. And you can see there that it's crashing on me. Account settings aren't even responding. And there it crashed. So Outlook is now crashed, and then it tries to restart. And then you can see it says the data file has not been configured. So not only once you have a severely corrupted PST is it going to crash Outlook, but it's going to keep prompting the user every time it starts to put in the file path, have a file there of what you tried to add. So that is the level 5 corruption.
Yeah, and that is a message that we've seen and our customers have seen quite a bit. Thanks for that, Chad. So PST corruption, it's pretty prevalent, so we wanted to share a bit more information about it. Again, we've got an article that goes a bit more in depth, posted on laesoftware.com/articles. Head over there to take a look at it. At the bottom, if you want to reach out for more information, also to do a no-cost PST discovery to find PSTs in your environment, you can reach out to us then. Thanks for watching. See you next time.